Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. Hello, my name is Ziya and this is my little channel, YouTube channel, where I do a little bit of everything. And today I'm doing my makeup. We're gonna go for like a really nice warm fall look. I'm wearing a bralette right now. Should put a shirt on, but it's hot in here, so I'm just not going to. You guys can't see anything below here anyway. So actually, you know what? There you go. Now you can see even less, and it literally looks like I'm not wearing a shirt, but I am wearing something. Alright, now that the hair is pushed back, I look insane. So, to prime the skin, I'm going to be using my Origins Original Skin, what do you call it? Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willow Smith. So you shake it up and then spray it out. It's kind of like this foamy consistency, and it's supposed to be really good to mattify the skin. And I used the mattifying moisturizer from Origins, the Original Skin collection. And so far they're really good. This is the first time I'm using this primer in a video, but I really like what it does. Of course, I'm never going to be off of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is like the best primer for oily skin especially. I feel like it keeps you a little matte, kind of creates a barrier that you can put things on, and it just kind of smooths everything out. It's just perfect. I love aloe vera gel. If you have not tried aloe vera gel for primer, you're missing out. Try it. And I just washed all my makeup brushes. They're all clean. And now I'm going to apply my Fenty foundation. I think I should have gone a little bit darker. I have 190 Soft Matte, and it does tend to be a little bit light on me, unfortunately. Before, it was working out really well for my skin, and now this new one that I bought, because I'm on my second bottle now, it's just a little light. I really like to apply this foundation with a brush. I think it gives much better coverage. Like, look at the coverage. The only problem is it breaks up around the mouth a little bit, so I just go over my lips and then clean off the lips later, put on some lip balm, and you're all good. Of course, this is my least favorite part because my lips disappear. I don't like that. Originally, I was planning on filming like 6 videos today, but it's already almost 3 o'clock and I don't think I'm gonna be able to film as many videos as I liked. But hopefully I can do this one and 2 more. Maybe I can get half my stuff done. I also have multiple tattoos planned that I want to get, and originally I was just gonna get them because I can and I want to, and I've been planning on doing it for so long. But now that I have this issue with my weight that I want to lose again, I was thinking that instead of just going out and getting my tattoos, I would kind of make my tattoos my incentive. So instead of me just going out and getting them, first I'd like try to lose, say, 10 or 15 pounds, and then once I hit that milestone, then I'll go ahead and get one of the tattoos that I like, or at least the first part of it, because at least one of them is going to probably need multiple sessions. Considering the size of it, I assume that they can probably do it in 3 sessions, but I'm also not a tattoo artist, so what do I know? See these? See these? All the coverage that I had on my cheeks, on these 2 little monsters here, face demons, just completely gone. I put concealer all over my nose because my nose gets really oily, and I just feel like having this extra layer on there before I put on my powder kind of helps it stay matte. I mean, my nose still gets really oily, but it locks it in a little bit better. And to set and bake my face, I have my Airspun powder. This is actually in Naturally Neutral. I usually get the translucent powder, but this time Ernie went and got it for me, and he accidentally picked up the wrong one, but we'll see how this goes. It should be fine. For all I know, this could have been the only one there. I don't have the heart to tell my husband, hey, you know the stuff that you went out of your way to get me? It's wrong. For the rest of my face, I'm taking this really poofy brush here and just patting in or pressing in the powder, and then I'm going to buff after that. This is why I love setting spray, because all these layers kind of end up looking a little cakey until you put on setting spray. Then it looks closer to skin. I'm just gonna leave my nose and my under eyes alone for now while I do my brows. I'm gonna do my brows off camera. I don't know what just happened. My brows look crazy. I'm gonna fix them later. Why are they so crazy? I don't know, but I have to move on. For the eyes, I'm gonna use my Naked Heat palette. This is my favorite palette of all time for the eyes, at least. I know the Naked Cherry is out. I haven't gotten it. I don't know if I'm going to, because it's just, you know, I compare it to this. I'm just like, I know I'm not gonna wear that as much. Like these are my shades. These are all my shades. They're beautiful. I love them. I can't go over them, and I'm not going to try to. Have my favorite little blending brush here. This is from a set from BH Cosmetics. It's the Pink Dot set, and it's the first set that I bought, and it's really inexpensive too, and I just love it. It's just the perfect size, and I can't get over it. So the first color I'm going to take is Low Blow. I didn't prime my eyes exactly. I just put some concealer on them and set it with my setting powder. Putting this in my crease and blending it all over the place. If you want to blend your eyeshadow easier, hold your brush from the end of it. Holding it down lower makes it so that the brush is a little bit more free and it blends a bit better. So I have this pressed glitter palette from Beauty Glazed, and it has all these colors in it. Ooh, should I do orange? Do the orange. I'm gonna do the orange. So I'm gonna end up putting on a, I was gonna just say bad words. I am going to use that orange glitter. So I'm not going to do too much on the eyes for now, but I am going to take the color Cayenne, that's this one. I'm also gonna add that to the crease too, just to make it a little bit warmer. Have a little bit more of a orangey red tone in there. There you go. That's the color. Makeup always looks crazy before it's actually like really finished. When you first start, things get worse, and they keep on getting worse until all of a sudden you get to the end and it's beautiful. I'm gonna put my eyeliner on first, and then I'm going to put on my glitter primer and put the glitter over that. So let's just see how this goes. So all the reviews on this said that you should just press it in with your fingers, but I used it for Halloween and I didn't like how it looked when I pressed it on with my fingers. Now it could have just been the pink that I used that looked that way. Oh, this actually doesn't look bad. The glitter is okay, it's not like incredible, but it needs a little help is what it needs. It needs to have a little bit more, like 2 or 3 more shades in the glitter itself, so that it just kind of pops a little bit better, because it looks a little flat. But I'm not mad, it's definitely pigmented, but it just needs more. Okay, I tried to fix my eyebrows. I think they look a little bit better now. And I have all the glitter on, just touching up these areas here. Gotta blend it out more because that is too harsh. No, stop going everywhere, glitter. Oh, this glitter is driving me crazy. It's just not staying in place. It just wants to move everywhere. And I've had it sitting in one place for a while, so it just wants to move around. Okay, be difficult. Anyway, so moving on. We are going to, what are we adding at the bottom? We're going to add Cayenne at the bottom. Cayenne is so pretty. What about 3/4 of the way in? I'm gonna take a little bit of En Fuego. En Fuego? Is it En or on? En Fuego. I don't know. I didn't take Spanish in high school. I took French. And guess who can't speak French? Me. Hi. Hello. I want to learn how to speak Japanese. I actually taught myself how to speak Japanese a long time ago, and I forgot. Has anybody heard of Baby Metal? Because like now I'm like kind of obsessed. They sound really good. Here is my setting powder brush that I used earlier. I don't know what I'm gonna do about my breakout. Maybe I'll just turn it into a beauty mark or mole or whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna start using my Shade and Light palette. I finally got a new one. This one is the one that has the removable, I was gonna say pots. I don't think that's what they're called. But each of the colors are removable. Here it is, brand new. I have not used it yet. I'm so excited. The pan! The pan. That's what it's called. They're called pans. I was originally going to just get a Z palette and buy the 2 colors that I need, but after like calculating how much it would cost and everything, it just made more sense to buy this. And then I have all the colors that I could possibly need. I've pretty much been out of my shade for a while. Like it's been a minute, and I've been trying to use other bronzers and contour powders and stuff in its place. I even tried mixing the light one and dark one together to get something similar to this shade, but it just has not worked out in my favor, and I just really needed this. Taking the the deepest contour shade and applying that to the double chin, because like I said, I have gained weight, and so the double chin is a little bit more obvious than before. I'm gonna take more of my airspun powder and I'm going to just cut it right here. I do not suggest getting this glitter. Now that I've used it a few times, the quality just is not there. It looks good at first and it's like pretty and everything, but it has a lot of issues. It keeps falling, it moves around too much, and application is not that great. So anyway, time to contour or bronze, whatever, the nose. I have this new Kevyn Aucoin, the Neo Limelight highlighter, and I've never tried anything from Kevyn Aucoin before. I got this from TJ Maxx and it was $20. It says compare at $33, but I looked it up on Sephora and it was actually $58 on there. Let's give this a whoo. I forgot that this has like a little velvet case that it comes in. It's like so luxe and it feels really heavy. Here it is. Very, very pretty. It's just, I'm gonna go across the whole thing once. I don't feel like it's like super blinding. I mean, it's okay. If I were to buy this at full price and this is all the glow I get, no, Kevin. I have my Tarte color wheel here. First I'm gonna take the color Ironic. I'm going to apply that slightly lower than I usually would apply my blush, just to add like a little bit more definition. And next I'm going to take the color Icon, that's right here, and I'm gonna put this in the normal areas right up here. I always put my blush on at an angle. I do this every time. I feel like I say it in almost every makeup video that I do, but I always put my blush on at an angle, like from the tip of my, not all the way down here, but you see what I mean, to the tip of the mouth and up towards the top of the ear. This is basically the line I follow when I put on my blush, because it has kind of a slimming effect when you apply it that way, especially when your face is as round as mine. It's been rounder lately, but it's okay. I have my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Usually I would use the whole palette on my face and do all the steps and everything, but today I'm just gonna take ZiyaScholz. That's this shade right here. I'm just gonna take ZiyaScholz, apply it up here. If you have an acne spot or breakout or whatever that is going to be right where your highlighter is, it's best not to put highlighter on it. Says the girl putting highlighter over her breakout right now. But I think I'm just gonna turn this into like a little beauty mark with a little bit of brown eyeliner or eyebrow pencil, you know what I mean? So I'm not too worried about it. Now that I have most of my makeup on, I'm not gonna try to cover this up perfectly because it's just not going to, especially with highlighter on it. So I'm going to turn it into a mole, a beauty mark, a beauty spot, which is what my real name actually means. Also going to take ZiyaScholz on my finger, put it down the nose, Cupid's bow. I'm going to take a little bit of Fiji, that's the cream highlighter shade. I'm going to add this to my inner corners before adding ZiyaScholz on top of that, because I want some blinding inner corner highlight. All right. I also highlighted my brow bone and everything. I don't know what's going on. I feel like I need to touch up my brows, like actually tweeze and shave and all of that, because it's just not, it's not right. It's not right. But it'll work for today. And you know, sometimes you just gotta say it's alright. It's fine. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the Kevin Aucoin highlighter. Just gonna take it from this side because I'm not feeling that side right now. But here we go. That's nice and glowy. I don't know if it really made a difference. Let's see. Right here, right here. Alright, it added a little bit of luminescence there. I feel like it's very natural. Obviously not right now on my face, it doesn't look natural because there's a million other things with it. Going to add mascara to my brows. I've just been using the Benefit Rolly Lash. This is a, what's the word I'm looking for? Travel size, sample size, whatever size, tiny one that you can get for like $12 at Ulta. Alright, now I have to put on some lashes and some liner. I bought a new Wet n Wild On Edge Long Wearing Eyeliner Pencil. This stuff is a gel eyeliner and it just glides on so smooth and you don't feel like you're stabbing yourself in the eye. It's wonderful. This is in the color You're the Yin. It's super, super black and I just really love it because I don't have to put any pressure on my eye. Okay, so have my lashes on. I did not curl them or put mascara on them yet. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Where's my stuff? Okay. The reason why I got distracted is because I have this glitter stuff on my eyelids and honestly it's driving me absolutely crazy because I do have oily skin. However, oily eyelids is never something that I have to deal with, and my eyeshadow never creases. Never, 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 never creases. This is creasing like crazy. Maybe if you put on really good eyeshadow primer, put eyeshadow on, and then put on glitter primer, and then put this on, that would work out. That's what I did in one of my Halloween tutorials, and it was beautiful. But this one is just creasing and creasing and creasing, and I think it's because of my lack of eyeshadow primer. But I assumed that the glitter primer was going to be enough to keep this in place. So I'm also going to add my mascara to my lower lashes because there's none on there yet. And I keep forgetting to do these things because I'm so distracted by my glitter eyeballs. So for my lips, I am going to apply the Kylie lipstick in Pumpkin because it's fall and this is my favorite color. If you guys have been watching my channel for a long time, you must be extremely tired of seeing this lip color, but I love it. And finally, for setting spray. Now for my setting spray, oh wait, no, I didn't make my, what you call it, my beauty mark thing. I'm using the same color that I used on my brows. I don't know if that's the best idea, but that is what I'm doing. Okay, now for setting spray. I always use something to fan off my face because I don't have time to sit over here and wait for things to dry. Alright guys, this is the entire look. I'm really happy with it. I love the orange eyes. I think they look really, really cool. I wish that the glitter would stick a bit better. Still having some fallout. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so if you guys stick around for those. And that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.